Hello students, how are you all? Hope you are all fine. So, let's start with today's session. Okay, today we are going to do a revision of poem that is Try to Lick Your Elbow. So, let's have a look. As explained already that it is very hard to touch your elbow with few body parts as mentioned in the poem. So what are these body parts? Let's have a look. To your tongue, inside your ears, to your shoulder, to your nose, to your toes, your forehead, your eyes, neck and spine. It is practically impossible to touch your elbow with all these body parts. They are saying that it is not easy for the tongue to reach the elbow or to go inside your ears. It is not possible to touch your elbow with your shoulder, with your nose or with your toes. It also says that you cannot touch your elbow with your forehead, your eyes or your neck. The speaker thinks that if you succeed in touching your elbow to your spine, you can win a prize, but that is not possible. And then at the last the speaker stopped and realized, means he understood that licking his own elbow was just gross, which means it was dirty and not a very nice thing to do. It tells us that everybody is different in their own ways. Some have flexible bodies and can do many tricks, while some cannot. Let us discuss the meanings. First word is pretty. Here the meaning of pretty is very. So how we can use it in a sentence? I was pretty excited to go to the zoo. Second word is awfully. Here the meaning of awfully is very. Let me give you an example of how to use it. I was awfully glad to meet my friend. Number 3 is hard, means difficult. If we have to use it in a sentence, we can say, it is hard to bend an iron rod. Number 4, practically. Practically means in real life. And the next word is impossible. Meaning of impossible is something that can never happen. So, let me give you an example. It is practically impossible to lick our elbow. Let's see the next word, that is spine. Spine means backbone. So, how we can use it in a sentence? Let's see. He injured his spine when he fell down the stairs. And the next word is realized. Meaning of realized is understood. And the example of this word is, let's see. She realized she needed more practice. And the last one is gross. It means dirty. If we use it in a sentence, we can say, he has a gross habit of putting his thumb in his mouth. In this way, we have completed our revision. So keep revising again and again so you can easily solve the worksheet. Till then, stay safe, stay at home.